Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse, she the...
Hey you guys, I'm coming today with a tutorial, a little bit more of an in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, because I have been getting inboxes about a more in-depth of how I do my eyebrows. People see my photos and they want to know a more in-depth of what I use and how I do my eyebrows. Also, I'm going to be doing a basic cute everyday eyeshadow look along with my eyebrows. I'm not doing a full face today, so let's get into this video. I was just setting up everything that I need for this video, and I'm gonna just jump right into it. So I like to start off with the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. Okay, so right now I like to do strokes going up with a flat small brush just to fill in all the gaps in my eyebrows. So I'm just going up, and then I like to shape out the end. Once again, my eyebrows are like naturally arched, so I don't really have to draw in a arch. It's just naturally arched like that. So now I'm doing the other side, just basically doing the same thing that I did on the other eyebrow. The concealer that I'm using, and right now I'm using the e.l.f. concealer in beige. I like using this to outline my eyebrows because it's a stick. It's a little bit more easier, and yeah. So I don't like to put concealer in the middle of my brows. Basically that was what I was explaining when I was pointing to the middle of my brows. I don't like to put concealer in the middle of my brows. I like to keep it like, you know, natural, at least in the middle. So yeah, now I'm doing the other brow. Okay, now I'm just filling in my eyelid with the same concealer. As you can see, I already did it on both ends. There you go. And right now I'm adding Fawn by LA Girls, and I'm just blending it in on top of the beige concealer I already had with my blending sponge, and I'm just blending it in. And this blending sponge comes from Miss A. I already did like a preview haul video on there. I will link that video below, and I also will link all of the products that I'm using and items that I'm using in the description box as well. So now I'm just blending until it's all blending. And this right here is e.l.f. lid primer that you put down before you put the eyeshadow, which I think it's very good. It keeps the eyeshadow lasting forever. Well, not forever, but you get my drift. Okay, so I'm just going to stop talking right now and let you guys watch it, and I will come back in. It's finished with them, like it doesn't matter. So I'm going to jump right into the palette. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Dupe palette. If you can see that, I'm going to start with this color first for my channel. So here we go. And then I will come back. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and with this color. This one right here. And this is my blending brush I'm using. I'm going to, like, with this darker color here, And I'm gonna put it over the light brown color. You see how that look? We seen something, I think the Mark D, I think he was telling me about. I'm just waiting on him. You know, he's the guy. I don't know too much about this camera stuff. So I'm doing the best I can with what I have. But it will get better in due time. Okay. So for my lid here, I'm gonna go in with a matte color, so it could blend right in with that color. You see those two colors? So it could blend right in. Look. Okay, so I did my eyelashes. I put my eyelashes on. Once again, it was the Wet&Wild eyelashes. I use bonding glue when I do not have the Ardell lash glue, so I don't have that right now. I cannot find it, so I end up using bonding glue. But yeah, usually bonding glue is my go-to glue anyway for my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara underneath. Like I said. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I already had added Blessed from AOA Studio, which I got from shop Miss A also. And I'm going to tell you this color in a minute. Okay, and this color is Drama from AOA Studio as well, that I got from shop Miss A. And I'm using the matte, the Wonder matte from AOA Studio, and this color is Blessed. This is actually my first time using this product, so it's actually going to be a review also. It smells sweet. It smells really good. And it is matte. It is matte. It is matte. It's definitely matte. It goes on. It goes on smoothly. It goes on smoothly, pretty smoothly. It does. I'm gonna go over it one more time. macaroon. This also is a fanning brush, Studio A fanning brush. My first time using this as well. What I'm going to do is I like to dig deep inside. Let's see if this like, I'm actually reviewing this stuff as I'm doing it. So like I said, if you try to get it off top, I see a little shine, but it ain't gonna work if you try to get it off top. Gotta dig in there. I don't want to give it a bad review so fast. Like, I see a little highlight on my nose. I do. I have to use this more. Since it's my first time, I'm not feeling so good about it. So I'm going to use this more before I give up in depth. It seemed like it would be a good highlighter, but I got to use that. I got to break that in, basically. It's too new. I got to break that in. So let me just keep highlighting, blending in this highlighter. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup right now. I'm going to take this off my head. And I'm also going to do an updated video about this hair. It was from Expression, the loose curls, number 425. I'm going to do an updated video about it. It's coming soon. I'm just taking pictures for my Instagram and Facebook. And this is just the final look. Hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Grow with me as I'm trying to grow my channel. And thank you. Mwah.